The nation's central bank slashed its benchmark interest rate to a record low after holding an emergency meeting on Monday afternoon. This follows the U.S. Federal Reserve's decision to lower its key rate to near zero. Yoon Jung-min has our top story.
In an emergency meeting held on Monday, the Bank of Korea cut its key rate by 50 basis points to 0.75%. Now, South Korea has the lowest benchmark rate in its history. The central bank said the COVID-19 outbreak has added uncertainties to the stock markets and exchange rates, while global oil prices continue to fall. The BOK Governor Ju-yeol said it does not seem likely that South Korea would achieve the 2.1% growth this year as projected.
It's not possible to give exact growth numbers since the forecast should be based on when COVID-19 is contained around the world, but the downside risk is higher than last time.
The bank added it will ease its monetary policy to alleviate such uncertainties. The BOK has also decided to lower loan rates tailored for small and medium-sized companies to 0.25% from the current 0.5 to 0.75%. It said it will also facilitate financing for institutions by allowing bank bonds as part of repurchase agreements. Currently, repurchase agreements were only allowed for government bonds and other types of bonds. This is the third time that the central bank has held an emergency meeting since 9/11 in 2001 and during the global financial crisis in 2008.
The BOK's decision is to coordinate with other central banks around the world because the coronavirus is spreading fast globally and it has significant impact. But the rate cut is a double-edged sword. The bank should also monitor negative impacts.
The BOK's decision follows as the U.S. Federal Reserve cut the rate to 0% to 0.25% on Sunday from the previous 1 to 1.25%. It's similar to the level that was seen amid the global financial crisis over a decade ago. It has also announced the launch of a massive $700 billion quantitative easing program while increasing dollar liquidity. Yoon Jung-min, Arirang News.